Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe what happens when you miss a credit card payment. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. Okay. So guys, this could be like a very stressful situation if you're going to miss your credit card payment because of any reason, and it may have very serious consequences. Now, in a country like Canada, USA, where your credit history plays a big role in for anything in future like loans, even rentals and job checks too. So, if you have like something bad like missed multiple credit card payments, that could trigger something very bad for you. Okay. But anyway, coming back to what happens when you miss a payment, you will be charged a late fee. Most banks here in Canada, RBC, TD Canada, Scotia Bank, big banks, charge a late fee if you miss the due date. Usually $25 to $40, and this will be added to your next statement. And it happens immediately after the due date. Okay. Interest rate may increase. If you were on a promotional or low interest rate, the bank may cancel promotional rate, may apply a high penalty, or you can say APR, start charging interest on the full balance, even they will remove the grace period too. Okay, and charge on all. Even if you miss by 1 or 2 days, that can trigger interest rate charges too. And if your payment is 30 plus days late, the lender reports it to the credit bureau. Okay, this can have a significant impact on your credit score, and it can stay on your credit card for up to 6 years in Canada. So it's a huge amount of time. For newcomers, it could be very damaging, so be careful. And if you continue to miss your payment, you may get collection calls. You will start getting reminder calls. Your account could be sent for collection. Your credit card may be suspended or closed. And if this happens, it will be too bad for you, because in future it will be too hard for you to get loans, be it mortgage approval, car loans, line of credit, and even to get apartment rental applications, because a lot of landlords nowadays ask for credit report. So what if you do it by mistake, unintentional? Immediately pay. Okay. And you can even request your bank for one time late fee reversal too. They can do it. In order to avoid, I would recommend that at least for minimum payment or more than minimum payment, do some kind of automatic payment, so that um, it doesn't happen. And most of these times, if it is your first mistake, uh, banks, financial institutions generally forgive. Okay, so you can always check with them. So this is what I wanted to convey, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.